Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up redeeming rewards on the Amazon Prime Visa beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up redeeming rewards on your Amazon Prime Visa, first, ensure that you have your card in hand. Visit the Amazon website or open the Amazon app on your mobile device. Log into your Amazon account using your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts and Lists section located at the top right corner of the page. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Your Payments option. Click on Your Rewards to view your available points. Review your current reward balance to understand what you have earned. To redeem your rewards, go back to the Amazon homepage. Look for items you wish to purchase and add them to your cart. As you are checking out, locate the Payment section. Here, you will see your Amazon Prime Visa listed as a payment method. Select your Amazon Prime Visa card for payment. Then, check the option to apply your rewards balance to this order. Confirm that the correct reward amount is applied to your total. Proceed to finalize your purchase. Once complete, you will receive a confirmation of your order along with a reminder of the rewards redeemed. If you want to manage your rewards settings, revisit the Your Rewards section. Here, you can choose how to redeem your rewards in future purchases. Make sure to keep track of any changes to your rewards program. Always check for promotional offers that could enhance your rewards experience. By following these steps, you'll effectively set up and utilize reward redemption on your Amazon Prime Visa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.